The ultimate Bebius Roblox reviews free Robux tutorial from 0 to pro in 1 minute. If you're a Roblox fan looking for free Robux, most people get this wrong by trusting random websites that promise free currency, but end up wasting time or risking their accounts. A surprising truth about Bebius is that it offers a structured way to earn Robux safely through verified tasks and activities without falling into scams. First, create an account on Bebius. You won't believe how many users skip verification, which is essential for security and earning tracking. Make sure to use a strong password and enable any available security features. Next, explore the ways to earn Robux. Most people get this wrong by focusing only on free claims without completing tasks. Bebius rewards users for completing surveys, engaging with apps, or sharing content in safe ways. Each activity shows the Robux reward clearly, so you can prioritize the most efficient tasks. Check the reviews. The surprising truth is that user feedback provides real insight into reliability. Look for comments about paired speed and account safety to ensure you're following a legitimate process. Track your earnings. You won't believe how quickly small tasks add up. Bebius usually credits Robux to your Roblox account within a few days after completing activities, so keeping a record helps manage expectations. Avoid shortcuts. Most people get this wrong by looking for hacks or generators, which can compromise your account. Stick to verified tasks and follow guidelines to stay safe. In conclusion, Bebius can take you from 0 to pro in earning free Robux safely. By creating an account, completing verified tasks, checking reviews, tracking your rewards, and avoiding shortcuts, you can grow your Robux balance confidently and enjoy a safer Roblox experience.